Camera speeds.
Adventure is a journey, and you never know what's going to happen.
You have one life, and it's important to live it.
Life is exciting, and if you don't find excitement in life, fix it.
We create our own reality, and growth doesn't come without failure.
Art, but essentially is the essence and fabric of life. Without art, life wouldn't exist. And I think as a creative, once you learn to see art in everything, a question is then posed, why not me? Because you understand that you're a part of a collective of artists, from nature, from the insects to animals, directors to artists and painters. You have to seek and find where you belong in that matrix.
Why are you afraid to take a risk? The unknown is so much more exciting.
I think adventure and nature are very tied together for me.
I get inspired by the colors in nature, the smells, the way the ground sounds when you're walking on it, the gravel, all those little things, they feed your creativity and thoughts and stories and visions. I think nature is a huge component in opening your creative mind.
If you follow the things that bring you the most happiness, it'll all fall into place, because what's meant for you can't miss you. So you just have to trust the process of the universe. Even if it seems scary, whatever feels right, just go with that.
I think life's an adventure. The human experience is the greatest adventure you're gonna have.